Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be starting off by brushing my brows with this gel. It's from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Next I'm going to use this Dip Brow Pro Made from Maybelline to fill in my brows. My brows really don't need a lot of filling in, but I like to do it when I'm doing my makeup. This is the only time I actually apply anything to it because I'm doing my makeup, so I want it to, pop. Next, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to clean up my brows. And I just gently apply it under the brows to make it look nice and straight, and then I pull it down onto my eyelids. For the top of the brows, I like to go in with something darker, so I'm going to be using my foundation and I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going in again with the concealer from Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm applying it directly on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend that out. The brush I'm using to blend it out is my Morphe M173 brush. So this concealer is going to act as a base for my eyeshadow, and this is the reason why I apply it there. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer using this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to start off my eyeshadow using my bronzer. Yes, you heard that right. I like to use this sometime as a transitioning color. You know what I'm saying? Because I do use this on my nose and so on and so forth. So I just feel like it blends so perfectly, and that's the reason why I use it. Also, the shade slash color slash tone is so beautiful, so natural. So I think it just makes sense. For shadow, I'm going to be using this palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetic, and it has a whole lot of bright pigmented colors in there. And I'm starting out with the purple on my outer part of my eyelid, and I'm blending it inwards. Now I'm going to go in with this pink shade that you see me pointing at, and I'm going to apply this right next to the purple and blend it inward some more. Lastly, I'm going to go in with this white one, and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and blend it inwards towards the pink. Now I'm going to move on to face, and to prime my face I'm going to be using my primer from Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and the one I'm using today is from NARS. And before I apply it, I like to spray some setting spray on my brush. The brush I'm using today is one from Il Makiage. So spraying the setting spray on the brush, I feel like it just softens it up and get it all ready for the foundation to go on and apply it so much better. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some contour, and the one I'm using is my contour stick from Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out, and this is going to warm up my face. The brush I'm using to blend it out is the same one that I use to apply my foundation. As for my nose, to blend out the contour, I use a smaller brush as you can see here, and I only sweep the brush going upwards, not down. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer to brighten up parts of my face. Now I'm going to blend it out. Again, I'm using my Morphe M173 brush from earlier. To set my concealer, I'm going to use the same setting powder from earlier. This is the Shasha Buttercup setting powder. So even though I didn't apply concealer on my cheek, I like to add some of the setting powder there. And after I'm done doing that, I like to just go over my entire face with the brush, just dab it everywhere. I don't know, it just works for me, makes everything just blends and come together. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer to warm up my face even more. Next, I'm going to use my translucent powder from CoverGirl, and I'm going to use a powder puff to apply it directly under my eyes. After I let it sit for about 5 minutes, I then go over it with my brush, just pushing it into my skin. As you can see, I'm not brushing it, I'm just dabbing it. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Skin Finish, and this I'm going to apply over my entire face with a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to apply some blush, and this one is from Il Makiage. And now I'm going to highlight places on my face using my highlighter from ABH Cosmetic. For lips, I'm going to go in with my lip liner from Il Makiage. And now I'm gonna apply some lipstick, and this one is from NYX. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using this rose water setting spray from Maven Beauty. After spraying the setting spray on, I then go ahead and use my fan to dry it down, and immediately you can see the difference with my makeup from spraying the spray on it. So here's a finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Each time I do my hairstyle, y'all love my makeup, and so you guys been asking me to do makeup tutorials, so now I decide to just incorporate them. Whenever I do my hair, I'll do a makeup tutorial and I'll post it so you guys could see the process of how I get that look together. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.